do birds migrate? Migratory birds fly thousands of kilometers to find food, mate, or to avoid extreme weather and other environmental hazards. These birds always manage to find their way back home even if it got changed over a period of time. Researchers think that birds use the natural magnetism of the earth to find their direction, similar to how compasses work. How can birds fly? Birds have a pair of wings that are very well adapted to flying. For example, wings have lightweight feathers and strong muscles which move them. With the help of the strong arm and chest muscles, birds flap their wings and fly. The bodies of birds are very light, which helps them to fly easily. This is because the bones of the bird are thin, light, and hollow. Additionally, the shape of a bird's body is like an airplane, narrow in the front and broad in the middle. This shape helps to create an air pressure difference, which helps create uplift. Finally, birds use their tails to change direction while flying. To stop, the bird spreads out its wings and stretches its feet. This creates a drag force that helps it to stop. How do parrots talk? Birds like songbirds, hummingbirds, and parrots are vocal learners. They have defined centers called cores in their brain which control their vocal learning. However, only parrots can talk like humans. This is because parrots have an additional structure in their brains called shells. These shells are believed to help parrots to be really good at copying sound, thus giving them the ability to talk like humans. Why are flamingos pink? Did you know that baby flamingos are not pink? It actually has gray feathers when born. In fact, flamingos get their pink color from their food, shrimps. Shrimps contain a reddish-orange pigment called carotenoids. When a flamingo eats shrimps, its liver extracts the colored pigments. The pigments are then absorbed by fats. These fats start depositing in the flamingo's growing feathers, which eventually cause the flamingo to turn pink. How do ducks' feathers remain dry all the time? Ducks have a special gland positioned near the tails called the preen gland. This gland produces an oil which ducks rub over their feathers with their beak to maintain their waterproof effect. This oil creates a protective barrier that stops feathers from becoming filled with water. These waterproof feathers insulate ducks from water and cold temperatures. Why don't birds standing on the electric line get electrocuted? Electricity flows from its high potential to its lowest. Power cables usually run at different potentials. If the bird's feet are on the same power cable, then they are at the same potential, so the bird doesn't get electrocuted. However, if the bird touches two cables with different potentials at the same time, then electricity will flow through the bird to go to the other cable with lower potential and the bird will get electrocuted. Why don't vultures get food poisoning? Vultures are generally scavengers that eat decaying or rotting flesh of dead animals. This decaying matter contains lots of harmful microbes which result in food poisoning. However, vultures have a strong acid in their stomach that protects them from harmful microbes. The strong acid in its stomach destroys most of the microbes that can cause food poisoning and other health problems, thus keeping the vulture safe.